All right, today we are smoking corn in pesto. Yes, homemade pesto is going to be so tasty on the Traeger pellet grill. I did use homemade pesto, and you can get that recipe at SipBiteGo, or you can just use store-bought, but my pesto is so much better. Has yummy Parmesan cheese in it, so let's toss it on the smoker at 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's cooked through. Let's go. It is summer in Texas and sweet corn is on sale, so I picked up a 4-pack here. You could also husk your own, but who feels like that when they've been out all day swimming? They just want to pop these on the smoker. So it's very simple here. I'm just lining them up on a tray, and I made this homemade pesto. You'll find this recipe at SipBiteGo.com. It has just a handful of really fresh, flavorful ingredients, including Parmesan cheese and basil. I have an arrow garden that produces so much basil that I'm making pesto from scratch once a month, at least in the summer. So here I am just loading it up. You could always use store-bought pesto. Just put it all over the outside of your corn. I used about half a cup of pesto for 4 pieces or 4 ears of corn here. Then it's time to head out to the smoker grill. Smoked corn is a great side to pop in the Traeger when you're cooking chicken or the French toast casserole that you see I have going on here. Now, you could cook it at 250, but I had already turned up the temperature of the smoker to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I recently published a video of how to smoke a bunch of things at once, and if you want to put together a pretty yummy meal like this, but need help figuring out the details, you should definitely head to that recipe video on SipBiteGo. So the corn is done smoking in about 30 minutes. I did not move it around on the grill. I just put it directly on the grill grates and let it ride. Subscribe for more tasty grilling recipes. Cheers!